exponent, we need to undo the exponent to get inside here. Okay, so we're going to do the root. It'll be the fourth root. And we already actually did, like I said, someone in my other class told me we've been using all the same numbers. Okay, we already did the fourth root of 81 like 2 problems ago. What is it? No, the square root of 81 is 9. No, 3. All right, is it just 3 or is there 2 answers? All right, plus or minus 3. Okay, we broke out the parentheses. We can just do x plus 5 equals plus or minus 3. Again, you could check this in the calculator, but it's not going to tell you plus or minus 3. You've got to know. Even gives me 2 solutions. Okay, but we're not done because we don't have x equals something. Right. We have to move the 5, but also we've got 2 things here. So we've got to do it twice. X plus 5 equals the 3. X plus 5 equals the negative 3. Right, this one, there will be 2 solutions. They're not going to be the same number if there's something left over here on the left-hand side. Okay, so now we're going to move the 5 on both of these. Okay, well, minus 5. We did something real similar to this when we did square roots back in the fall and when we did absolute values. Okay, so we get 3 minus 5. Negative 2. Okay, and then negative 3 minus 5. Negative 8. Great job. Okay, they don't have to be the same. And again, if you have the parentheses with the square root, then they're not going to be the same because there's something left over there. Also, if you are used to putting it into the calculator in y equals to solve, we've done this before. All right. If you do this, I put this problem here. Second trace. If I look, negative 8 is equal to 162. Negative 2 is equal to 162. All right, there's only 2 of them that are equal to 162, what you want it to be equal to. All right, then that's another way to tell. Okay, if you're used to, if you'd like to solve it using the calculator, some people do. All right, dos más. Okay, 11 x to the 5th power minus 32 equals negative 64. What do you have to move the 32? Got to move the 32. Plus 32. Sorry, Michael. What is it? Negative 32. Okay. Now what? Square the, not the square root. The root, yeah. 5th root, root the 5, whatever. Just root. Yeah. Okay, if it's 5, how many solutions are there? 1. It's an odd number. All right, it's an odd number, so there's only 1 or 2. Okay, and if this is negative, what's it going to be? Negative. Okay, what's the 5th root of 32? Y'all remember? Negative 2. Thank you, Jessica. Good. I think we already did that one in the notes too. Like I said, there's only so many numbers you can do that won't be like literally giant numbers because they get the exponents make them so fast, so big, so fast. All right, last one. Number 12. Negative 1/10 x cubed plus 100 equals 0. What first? Right. Only when the exponent is negative do we have to flip it. All right, I know every class, I'm glad you're remembering that rule, but only when this is negative. So this is just a number. Subtract 100. All right, 0 minus 100 is negative 100. All right, then some people maybe want to turn this negative 1/10 into a decimal. Okay, I am going to do it without doing that. Okay, I'm going to do it the other way that we've shown, is that to get rid of a fraction, multiply by the number on the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to multiply by, since it's negative, I'm going to multiply both sides by negative 10. Okay, and that gets rid of the whole fraction, just leaves me with 1x cubed. And what is a negative 100 times negative 10?
1,000.
1,000, positive 1,000. Then we've got 1x cubed equals 1,000. All right, well, what cubed equals 1,000? What times itself? 3 times. All right, well, let's figure it out. We're gonna cube root it, right? Yeah. Okay, this cancels itself out. I should have been doing that all along. Those cancel itself out. And how many solutions are there if this is odd? Just one. Okay, positive 10. Negative 10 would not work. X equals positive 10. All right, y'all. We've got like 37 minutes to work on the practice. Okay, well, if you finish it, you can turn it into me. I don't care if you work together. One thing I want to explain really quick on the practice. One explanation. On number 4, 5, 6, and 7, it's matching. Here's the problems. 4, 5, 6, and 7. You're going to turn them into rational expressions. Match them with A, B, C, and D. Okay? You don't have to solve them. You're just going from radical to rational. Okay? You're matching 4, 5, 6, and 7 with A, B, C, and D. Okay? It's a little bit confusing. I had questions on it. All right. Done.